everybody, my name is Sasha. Today we will cook homemade delicious food. First we put onion, one red onion. After that we add bacon, and after that we add mushroom. When it's all this cooked together, we add one small spoon of the whole grain mustard, and we add 2 tablespoons of sour cream. All together we mixture, and then we add spinach together with the pasta. We're starting with 1 tablespoon olive oil. Okay, when it's warm heat, yeah, then we add first onion, red onion. Now we cook for the 5 minutes. After 5 minutes cooking the red onion, we will add bacon, small pieces of the bacon, and also cooking like for 3 minutes. Also preparing the water for cooking for pasta. Now the stirring together the bacon and onion, and I will add mushroom. Now it's cooking for a few minutes. Smells very delicious. Now I will add 1 small tablespoon of mustard, and I will mix all this together. It smells so nice, delicious, yummy. I will also add 2 tablespoons of sour cream. So easy to make, and it's very, very delicious. All together mixture, put together, and on the end just add the spinach. Ready for mixture with the pasta and ready to eat. This is my recipe. It's such a delicious food. It's a yummy food. Okay. Now I'm just adding spinach. Okay, food is ready now. It's all this mixture. It's very simple recipe, very delicious. Now waiting for boil the pasta inside and put all together, and I will show you on the end how it looks and how it's yummy is. I'm going to put the pasta on. Okay. We just put little hot water, little salt, and a little oil. Then doesn't stick, and just put pasta in, and usually cook like 7 minutes. When it's ready, just dry. we drain the pasta, and pasta is ready. Now I will mix with the sauce. Okay, we just put pasta there, and we add the delicious sour cream sauce with mushroom, bacon. Okay, and if you wish, just add on like the cheese on the top. You don't need to put the salt in this because it's a bacon already like salty, and if you wish you can add pepper. Okay, now we can try and see how it's nice. Okay. Sorry. It's a delicious, it's amazing, it's a beautiful. I suggest everybody try. It's a very easy recipe and it's so simple to make. Okay, everybody enjoy.